These were the very first seconds stepping inside the property. After hours of searching on Google Maps and driving through winding roads, I finally found it. On a forgotten hill, abandoned for 10 years, a strange feeling stepping into this place, dirty, broken, and overrun with weeds. I started walking slowly down to the house, amazed by the silence around it, as if nature itself was watching me, waiting to see if it could trust me. I was told that some people had broken in and were living here illegally. They clearly had good taste, but the police had come the day before my visit to remove them. This was the first time I saw the view, the sea stretching out before me. I was breathless. I hadn't expected that view, or the pool. It felt like a dream, and for a moment I forgot the mess, the broken pieces, the work ahead. I fell silent, as if to join nature in its silence. This window would one day become the main entrance of Casa Vina del Mar. And this lovely pink room, everybody's taste, obviously, would later become the dining area. And this would become the future living room. Siesta, anyone? Part 2 coming soon. Step inside and discover what I found.